Hi my angels, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, I would like to apologize for not uploading video for almost a month, as two of my family members including me were fighting with a dangerous coronavirus. But don't worry you all, we all are happy and healthy now, and I am very excited to be back on my channel. So in today's video, I'll be going to talk about my top 5 face washes under 200 rupees. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know my number one personal favorite. Before I start the list, let me just mention that all these face washes are tried and tested by me, and they worked really well for me without causing any reaction. Now these face washes can be used by both men and women. Every skin type is different, so choices can be varied. Something might have worked well for me but might not work well for you, and vice versa. I have used many face washes, and out of those I have come up with top 5 face washes under 200 rupees which I feel works really well on Indian skin. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. So I will start listing products in descending order, and we have Nivea Face Delight Milky Face Wash on number 5. As we all know that the Nivea is a brand trusted universally and is a leading international skincare company that brings to you innovative skincare and cosmetic products. Nivea has launched their Milky face washes in 2019 I guess, and has a 5 different variants covering all skin types, and I love the ingredients in all of them, and they are Milk Delight Besan for oily skin, Milk Delight Saffron for normal skin, Milk Delight Rose for sensitive skin, Milk Delight Turmeric for acne prone skin, and Milk Delight Honey for dry skin. Please do let me know in below comment box if I missed any other variants. Now these face washes comes in a 2 sizes which are 50 gram and 100 gram. 50 gram will cost you around 90 rupees and 100 gram will be around 175 rupees. It comes in a cute triangle shape squeezable bottle with a flip-flop secure cap. I hate flip-flop caps in products. Okay, so the product consistency is milky, creamy and a bit runny with a mild fragrance. If you have been using a Nivea products for a while, then you will come to know the basic Nivea fragrance which they have in their all products. So the pros for me for this product are affordable and last long, leathers decently, beautiful mild fragrance, cleans skin deeply and makes it clear and fresh, and the cons are runny consistency, comes with a flip-flop cap. So the next face wash I have for you is a L'Oreal's Purifying and Whitening Milky Foam Face Wash. I have always loved the skincare products from L'Oreal and have been using their shampoos, conditioners, serum, face washes and makeup. One day I was scrolling through Nykaa and found out this product and thought of giving it a try. The face wash comes in a pearly white tube with a flip-flop cap. Again flip-flop cap, but don't worry guys, this tube is a travel friendly and the consistency of product is a thick like cream and the texture is pearly. A little bit amount would be sufficient for your face and neck. The packaging is simple and well designed. The people who has a acne prone skin and prefers foamy face wash, then this one would be the great option for them. It comes in a 2 sizes which are 50 ml and 100 ml. 50 ml will cost you around 175 rupees. So the pros for this face wash are good packaging, travel friendly, foams generously, great for oily and acne prone skin. And the cons are price could have been lower given the fact that it performs like any other foamy face wash. The next face wash I have for you is from Himalaya family. This is the mini version of that face wash. I purposely purchased it just to show you how the mini version looks. This is the most popular face wash in country and it claims that it prevents acne and pimple for all skin types. It has a combination of turmeric and neem which cleanses the skin from within without drying it out. This is a super affordable face wash and comes in a many sizes right from 15 ml till 400 ml. 15 ml will cost you around 15 rupees and it can't get better than this, right? It leathers well and it comes in a gel form. It is something that I have used quite a lot back in the days, in my teenage days and even in my 20s. I have reached out to this product even now. So the pros for this product for me is it has a mini of 15 ml, very gentle on skin, not very expensive, quantity is good. And the only con for this product is No full ingredient list is mentioned on packaging. So the next product I have for you is a Garnier's White Complete Fairness Face Wash. This face wash caught my attention through TV ads and got a strong feeling that this might be a kind of one which I like, and I like the strong foamy face wash which leaves oily skin squeaky clean. This face wash contains lemon essence and it comes in a white color tube with yellow color flip-flop cap. The packaging is travel friendly and the consistency of product is creamy. Similar to L'Oreal's face wash, you would require a little amount for your face and neck. You will get this face wash in two sizes which are 50 gram and 100 gram. 100 gram will cost you around 135 rupees. Now pros for me for this product are affordable, contains lemon extract, for all skin type, cleanses well. And the only con for me is it doesn't do much as it claims. So guys, now it's time. The number one face wash in my list today is Clean and Clear. We all grew up using this face wash and most of us still uses this simple variant with a purple little cute cap. It proudly says that it's oil free and it won't clog pores, and yet it's up to the claim. This has many variants, but I like the simple one and the morning energy one. As you can see guys, this comes in a transparent bottle with a purple little flip-flop cap. The consistency is too runny, but it foams well. But this again has a flip-flop cap, and due to its runny consistency, there will be a chances of spillage. Hence, you have to be careful with this product while carrying it outside. This product comes in many sizes, right from 50 ml till 240 ml, and 50 ml will cost you around 70 rupees. Now let's check out its pros. It's affordable, available in many sizes, easily available, lathers well, no breakouts. The cons are runny consistency, comes with a flip-flop cap. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and informative. If you like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Until then, bye bye.